Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name's Karen. I'm here today with Alison.
Hello.
And of course Cameron.
Hello.
And we are here to bring you this lovely die set that we've got today. This is an As Seen on TV and it's the Scribbled Blooms collection.
Oh, I think they are so adorable.
And of course we've had a sneaky peek of these, haven't we?
We have. If you caught us a few weeks ago.
Whoopsies.
We did give you a little peek of these. These can be very traditional.
They can.
Or you can go quite contemporary with them, I think.
I think so too. So you've got the oval and you've also got the circle. There's some absolutely beautiful sentiments. And you've also got some amazing layering little flowers as well. Should we have a look at the oval first?
Yes, go on then. Well, there's 13 dies in this set.
Wow.
And it's got my favourite. I love a rounded flower.
You do.
I really love a rounded flower.
And you love a rounded flower that's cut right down almost to the centre so that you can shape it.
Yes. Can you tell I've had my way with these? No hole in the middle.
Absolutely
and
not.
And cut lines almost to the middle.
Gorgeous.
So we have plain ones up here.
Yeah.
But we also have decorative edge ones down the bottom.
A little scallopy edge.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Like a little distress edge.
Mm-hmm.
And we've got smaller ones as well.
Fabulous.
And they're all on one plate.
I like that too.
So they all cut on the one plate. So the two large ones are one, and these and the little ones are one plate as well. Fabulous. So I like that idea.
So you've got that really nice outer edge.
Yes.
Your Verso decor to go inside.
Yes.
And then you have
you can have a change of sentiment as well. So we have
may your dreams come true.
There we are. And no, that
wishing you happiness always. But you've also got this outer edge that fits your sentiments, which means you can layer them up on top as well. Or you cut this
in
and you cut that to put a different colour behind.
Yes.
It's a really, really good die set,
it is.
I think.
It's lovely.
You do have additional deboss sentiments. I am going to have to take them off to read them, I'm afraid, because I can't see those ones. Oh, this one says happy birthday.
You deserve it.
Lovely. May all your dreams come true. You deserve it.
Exactly.
Fabulous.
So you've got extra bits to add on here. You've got a gorgeous little leaf.
I like your leaf as well. But with these deboss sentiments, you do have the little banner to fit those in as well.
I think the decoration in this set does it for me.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
As well as a scribbled frame, mind, because I do love a scribbled frame.
Yeah.
But let's flip that one over and have a little look at this one.
This is so nice.
This is the one I gave you a little peek of a couple of weeks ago.
It's so funny.
So again, you have the outer edge.
Yep.
You have the scribbled bloom that you can cut into your cardstock or layer it on top. You've got 3 sentiments in this one.
Right.
So we've got more.
We've got remember you are amazing.
Yes.
Does that say amazing? Remember you are amazing. Yes.
You make everything perfect.
Oh, that's nice. And what does this one say? Thinking of you always. Wonderful.
I'll bring that one over a bit more.
Yeah, sorry, there's plenty of room there.
And then your 2 little ones, or 3 little ones on this one. Oh, we've got lots in this one. So proud of you. Thank you. And
You
You inspire me.
You inspire me.
I like that one.
Do you know what I love about this as well? So you know you've got those little flowers. We've got 2 different sets here.
Yeah.
But look at all of these.
Yes.
All the same size, all on the same plate. Oh, what I would have given for those.
Heaven. We are in heaven with these.
Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Shall we have a little look at some of these samples? Now we have lots.
We do.
So we probably won't show you all of them, but we'll give you a little idea of what the girls have been making for Jodie.
I'm going to grab this one first because we talk a lot. I'm going to lay it down as well. We talk a lot about cutting your die into your cardstock.
Yes.
So this is cut into the top layer and there's acetate behind it.
Nice.
But this is Angela, I'm sure it is, yes. But she's also recut the die, popped the layer behind, coloured onto it, and then stuck it on top again.
That is amazing. There's such a lot of work in that one. And you can't actually see how much work is in it, if you know what I mean.
No.
It's beautiful.
But it is cut into the cardstock as well as layered again on top.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
That
could be a shaker card as well.
Yes, it could.
Behind the acetate.
Angela's chosen to leave it as a frame, isn't she?
She has.
Gorgeous.
She has.
So we've got one here. Let me show you this one. I don't know where our point is, Cam. Oh,
over the edge.
There. Oh, lovely. Right, so this is a gift bag that Christine, I think it was Christine.
Christine, that was, yeah.
That Christine has made. And can you see all the beautiful moussing that she's done in the background? I love this one. It just makes that pop, doesn't it? And she's paper pieced the flowers back in just to give them the definition. So she's done the top one, left the second one, done the third one then, so you've got that, you know, differentiate against all of it. And then she's put some detail into the stems and leaves there on the bottom as well, and I just love this. We never think to put things like this on a gift bag.
Don't.
Why would we not?
We don't.
I don't know why, but it's lovely. I mean, she's
either.
just taken a pre-made paper bag with the lovely paper handles there and pop that on the front. Stunning. Thank you, Christine.
But if you've only got like a small gift but you want to make it look bigger, that's the way to do it.
Oh, absolutely, it is. Yeah.
Should we go with this one?
I like that one.
So this is very similar colours, but this is made by Roche.
Oh, they were on a theme, Roche and Christine. I like that one. I love the background.
Gilding flakes on the back of this one. I'm hoping you can see them.
Yeah, you can definitely see the sheen on that. And look at that beautiful colour.
Stunning. Absolutely stunning. And again, the pattern is cut into a rectangle of card.
Yes, it is. It is.
And we don't see an awful lot of that.
No, we don't.
So now you can see how effective it is.
Right, so you were mentioning a shaker. So let me distribute these equally, and then we can see. There you go. You can see that that's been cut in again and layered on top. So you've got that pink layer on the top, but the pattern's been cut in as well, because you can just see the cream showing through there. But
that is so delicate.
Gorgeous shaker card. Look at the lovely colours in that. Beautiful.
But that would suit a wedding.
It would.
I think anyway, or an anniversary or something like that.
The little teeny tiny flowers. Those are the ones I was saying that I would have killed for those years ago.
I know. We would kill for them now.
Yes, indeed. That's another one from Roche.
So now we've got some colouring from Angela. She's enjoyed these for colouring, I think.
She definitely has. And look at your beautiful flowers on the scribble frame there.
They are gorgeous.
They're your favourites, aren't they?
They are. They are totally my favourites. So a little diamante in the centre finishes them off.
Pretty.
The sheen on that one.
Gorgeous. Just catching the light there. Now, something a little bit different from Roche here. I want to show this one down here. I think that is so
pretty.
Love the simplicity of this. So she's just used the scribble part of the Scribbled Bloom. So she's cut the flowers off. She's got a nice strip down the centre here, offset here, and she's got this really nice scribbled part of it there, using all of those little flowers, and just with those two little sentiments saying, you inspire me, thank you.
That is lovely, isn't it?
card for a fellow crafter, I think.
Exactly.
Gorgeous.
Exactly.
Thanks for that, Rosh.
But going back to those little flowers.
Oh, I love this one.
Look
You have to bring them
at
down.
this one. Look at the amount of flowers on there.
It's stunning.
But when they're all on one plate, they cut so quickly.
You just keep running them through and running them through and running them through. And I'm sure Christine's made this one. I'm sure Christine's got a little pot on her desk.
Oh, I'm sure.
With plenty more of these flowers in that'll be cropping up on cards here, there and everywhere.
Because you would not throw any of these away.
Absolutely not. And just to show that some of these sentiments will work together as well. Remember, you're amazing. You make everything better, thinking of you always. How good is that?
It's lovely. So we've not used anything from the Scribbled Bloom there.
No,
we've used
just
everything
the
else.
Just the sentiments. Oh, I've shown that one. What else have I got out
So
here?
we've got a box as well.
I like that one.
Put that one. No,
You're going to show
that
that
way.
Yeah.
So this is again, we've got a lot of these cut in.
Yeah.
This is cut into the top of a box. You could have the card inside. We haven't in this one. It's just been lined.
Nice matching card.
But a matching card in there, or your gift in there. And your card could be along the same lines, couldn't it?
Gift, you say?
A gift.
Lovely.
So that is so pretty as well.
So another one from Christine. Should we go from once, Karen?
Yeah, go on then.
So she's used a sentiment from elsewhere. Hip hip hooray. But look at the Scribbled Blooms in the background. Doesn't it just look like an amazing background die? It's just got a little bit of detail to it, and you can pop anything on top of it.
It's gorgeous.
I love that one.
Gorgeous.
I love that. It's just bringing it right up to date and showing something completely different.
I think the coloured background with the white die cut on top is so effective.
Yeah. And this one again.
Oh, that is beautiful.
So that is mixing the flowers out of the two sets. May your dreams come true. So proud of you. I love that. You can see the little leaf poking out there as well. What a lovely little card.
It's a good engagement card as well, isn't it?
Yes, it is. So another one there from Christine.
What else have we got here? So again, this is one. Just gone with two colours. And I think that is really effective as well.
Yeah.
So you keep them as simple as you like. We've got a little bit of depth. If I turn it to the side, we've got a layer on the front, and then the butterflies then have been raised. So really pretty. So
now I know I've shown you one shaker card, but I'm going to bring another one in because it's such a coincidence. They've gone for the same colours.
They have.
Look at this.
Obviously,
how funny.
They're in a pink mood at the moment, I think.
Definitely. But you look at that. Vicky's just got a little bit more gold in hers.
Yeah.
I love it. So Vicky's made us a beautiful shaker as well. She's just cut it straight into the layer front there. Popped her foam tape around, obviously. And made a lovely shaker, layering that sentiment on top. And using some of the flowers as well with a lovely drop in the centre.
But that's a very clean and crisp card, isn't it?
It's very clean and crisp for our Vicky. Beautiful, Vicky. Love that one.
So again, we'll show you this one. I love the colours in this.
Oh, that is
So this is our coffee cream and cinnamon silk.
Oh, I like cinnamon silk.
If you've got it in your collection,
keep a hold of it.
Yes, we don't have any more.
No, we don't.
So this one says happy birthday on the top.
Nice.
And wishing you happiness always.
Oh, that's lovely.
So this one has played back the design.
Yes, it has.
But brought forward the flowers.
I like that.
So I think that's a nice way to do it as well.
Yeah, and she's just giving it that little drop shadow, isn't she?
Yes.
Love it.
So pretty.
It's like she's just edged those flowers.
Yes. Yes,
Fabulous.
she has.
We've
Gorgeous.
got a lovely one from Angela at the front there, Al, that I can't reach.
I'm
You're
going to have to bring this one. Look at that. Oh my lord. That is a Bobby Dazzler.
I think you're going to have to show how much depth you've got there,
Look at the depth.
So Angela has curved the front of her card and it just looks amazing.
So she's
cut it in again.
Cut the die in.
Yeah.
But then recut it with an outer edge in the gold.
Mm-hmm.
And then added on extra flowers and your sentiment.
Beautiful.
Stunning card.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Love it.
We have so many more that we could show you, but Shall we stop there?
I think we better. I think we better.
So many. Don't forget, if you do want to see any of these being made, you can head over to Create and Craft, and Jodie will have a lot of the inspiration there for you. She will have made some during her demonstrations, so you should probably still be able to catch those.
Yes.
But you can get these now from our store. Don't forget that if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, you do get 10% off. You can pay in installments as well with ClearPay, ShopPay or PayPal. Have a little look what applies to you and what is available in your area. The most important thing is
tag us in your makes.
We absolutely love to see what you're making. You inspire us and you inspire each other, so let's keep doing that. If you could give our video a little like, little cheeky little thumbs up, and if you wanted to subscribe to our channel, that would be great too. And if you wanted to hit that notification bell,
ting,
we will be live for you like magic.
Whenever you want us.
And you'll also be notified when we do upload any videos. Are we done?
We could be. We got one more thing to say.
Happy crafting!